Natalie, and welcome back to my channel. And hey, do me a favor before I go ahead and continue with this video. Please click on the subscribe button and also click on the bell icon so you're always notified whenever I post new videos. And yeah, so today, this is a wash and go from the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Yogurt line. And I don't like it. It feels rough, feels dry. I don't care for it. So today I'm going to wash my hair. I don't have to deep condition it because this is just basically, I've already did that. So I'm just going to wash my hair. I am going to be using my Eco Slay Chai Latte Cleanser. And then after that, I am not going to be using any styler, but what I want to do is use the Verb Curl Cream by itself. It says to apply on very damp hair, and then you could just go ahead and air dry or use a diffuser. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to try this out and see how this works with just only using one product. All right? Okay, so I'm going to go in, wash my hair, and then I'll be back. Okay, so I washed it out and it's nice and clean. That's rule number one. Don't try that. So now I'm gonna go ahead and do the first half of my hair, and then the rest I'll just go offline. I mean, off the camera to do the rest. All right. So, all right. Okay. So, remember, do not shake. I'm just going to put in, I think 4. I'm going to put, and then I'll rake it through my hair. Ready? Might be best with just 2 pumps, but you know what? We'll see how this goes. Okay. All right. So now, get something on my face. All right. So I'm going to go in. Then you can see the other side. All right. All right. So I'm going to go off the air and I'll be back. Okay. So I'm back. So as you can see, we got some really good definition for just using the Verb by itself. As you can see, my curls are clumped and look at that. Same thing. I don't know if you can see the back, but I think it looks good. I hope. It's got some curls over here on the bottom as well. So I think this is going to be really good wash day. Just using one product, and that's the Verb Foaming Gel. So let's see how this works. Anyways, I'll be back. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and air dry a little bit, and then I'm going to diffuse. I'll be back. So, all right. So what do you think, guys? Not bad. Got some curls, some definition. And then you got this nice chunky one right here. Then side, got some nice ringlets. Some of them don't want to separate, so I just leave those alone. Because you don't want to. If you cannot separate the ringlets, then what it does is if you try to force to separate them, you're just gonna create frizz. I'm just gonna say that. What is going on? You're gonna have frizz. So I try very hard not to do it. And yeah, well, you know what? That's interesting how just one product actually did all this. It has it left my hair feeling nice and soft, and it's got some hold. I wouldn't say that it's a level 10. I wouldn't say that it's a level, I would say it is a medium hold. It's not a light hold. It's a medium hold. And it leaves my hair touchable soft. And I really like it. It's nice. It feels really good. Even putting it on my hair, on soaking wet hair, it just left my hair feeling really, really nice. I really do like it. I like that whole method of using one product. And yeah, I'm gonna see how this is gonna hold up. Um, and then I'm excited, and we'll see. We're gonna play with it. I do like the fact that I was able to use one product. It left my hair feeling moisturized, and there's no flakes. I don't see any flakes. No flakes. And it's nice. I really do enjoy it a lot. I most definitely will purchase this again. It is $20 on Ulta.com, and you can pick it up there if you're not able to pick it up at on a website. But what's the sense of purchasing on the website when you could just get in your car, go to Ulta and pay for it, and then be done with it. You save yourself money on shipping and handling. That's just my opinion. But other than that, I really like it a lot. It's not going to give me volume. Maybe it might. I doubt that very much. But I do know for sure. Hold on. I'll be right back. Okay, as far as what I'm reading from the bottom, verb is basically a hold and shape, defines, and defrizz. Defrizz. Curl foaming gel. So it has no paraben, no gluten, no sulfates, PETA certified, cruelty free, vegan, no dyes, no silicones, no fragrance. So basically, it makes no mention of, no, it doesn't say anything about volume. It's basically a curl enhancing foaming gel. That's all it is. It's not going to give you volume. It's going to give you a nice hold. It's very soft, touchable, but yet it still has enough hold. And I like it, and it does define your curls. Just remember that, as you can see. As you can see all my curls, especially this one. You can see it. It's defined. Each one of my curls are defined. As you see that? See that? You can see how this one right here, it just gives you enough definition. This one still gives you definition as well. And you can see my curls are just popping. Look at that. Yeah, so all right, so I really like the product and I am really happy with it. And yeah, if you happen to like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and also click on the subscribe button as well as the bell icon so you can always be notified whenever I post new videos. And thank you so much for watching and you have a great day. Bye.